There's probably more than one thing that separates us from other dealerships. Our customers that come here to Merchants are most surprised by the amount of inventory that we have. And we are 28 acres of stuffed inventory. Huge selection, both on the commercial side and the retail side.
We offer nationwide inventory and one of the better selections for ProMasters, Transits, Sprinters, box trucks even.
The condition is phenomenal on all the vehicles that we retail.
All of our vehicles are typically 1 to 2 years old. And the great news is they come with the manufacturer's remainder warranty. And we service literally hundreds of these vans every month.
So we have all ASE certified technicians that work on these vehicles and prepare them for our customers for use. 152-point safety inspection, change the oil. We're gonna do more than half a life to all of the wearable items, meaning tires, brakes, rotors, and it's gonna have less than $500 worth of light scratches and tiny dings throughout the entire body.
Our customers and our clients are often surprised by having a dedicated account manager when they call in, taking care of all their needs. And that's whether it's 50 vehicles or just one.
That account manager is dedicated to following up, making sure that the vehicle's okay, staying in touch with that consumer, seeing what they need, letting them know in the future what's coming down the pipeline for additional vehicles or even lack thereof.
If my clients have any issues whatsoever, I'm available at just a phone call or a quick email.
I think they're most shocked that they don't have to come here to receive their vehicle.
Once you purchase the vehicle, we go ahead and set up with a national transport company to take the vehicle from our secured holding facility, transport it right to your business or to your home.
We've got a ton of them out to Oregon and California, Florida. We even have some inventory in Hawaii, I've heard.
Merchants Commercial's 7-day, 500-mile money-back guarantee works with if there's any issues whatsoever once the vehicle arrives that you're not happy with, there is no questions asked. Either we'll give you a full refund or we can go ahead and exchange it for another like vehicle that would hopefully meet the expectations and cover any concerns that you may have had.
If it's something that we can help pay for, a small dent or an issue with tires or whatever it might be that the customer's unsatisfied, we're also happy to do that as well. We stand behind the vehicles that we sell. We've been in business for 60 years. We don't just back the vehicles, but we're backing our own company name, and we want to ensure that each and every vehicle that goes out is going to make these businesses money and be the tool that they need rather than just a quick sale.